Welcome back to AppleLnsider, your ultimate stop for deep dives into the world of smartphones, gadgets, and the tech that powers your lifestyle. Today, we're taking a close look at a device that's been making waves in the mid-range market. Yes, we're talking about the Vivo Y29 2026. Vivo's Y series has always aimed to strike a balance between performance, style, and value, and the Y29 might just be their most ambitious attempt yet. But does it live up to the hype? Can it stand out in a market flooded with options? We've spent a good amount of time testing this phone, pushing it in real-world scenarios to see if it deserves a place in your pocket. Let's get into it, keynote style. Number 1. Design and build quality. First impressions matter, and the Vivo Y29 delivers one that's hard to forget. Right out of the box, the phone exudes a premium feel that's uncommon in this price segment. Vivo has gone with a refined matte finish on the rear panel, which not only looks sleek but also resists fingerprints like a champ. The edges are softly curved, making the device sit comfortably in the hand even during long usage sessions. The camera module is neatly integrated into the back, avoiding any awkward protrusions and adding to the phone's aesthetic appeal. Despite being a mid-range device, Vivo has not compromised on build quality. The phone's frame feels sturdy with zero flex or creaking when applying pressure. It's reassuring to know that the device won't let you down in terms of durability. The power button and volume rockers are tactile and well placed, responding with a satisfying click that adds to the overall user experience. Vivo has also included an IP54 rating for splash resistance, a small but valuable addition that offers peace of mind for day-to-day use. Another thoughtful design choice is the weight distribution. The Y29 feels neither too heavy nor too light, striking a balance that makes it feel substantial without being burdensome. Vivo's choice of materials and finish makes the device look and feel like something much more expensive. Whether you're pulling it out during a meeting or snapping photos at a weekend event, the Vivo Y29 holds its own in the looks department. And if you care about color options, Vivo is offering a palette that ranges from classic graphite to a vibrant gradient blue that catches light in the most eye-catching way. It's these little things, attention to ergonomic details, the right combination of aesthetics and practicality, that make the Vivo Y29 a design success. In a market where many phones look and feel the same, Vivo has managed to craft something that stands out just enough without shouting for attention. Shall I continue with the next keynote on display? The full script will be quite long, approximately 8,500 plus words, so I recommend breaking it into segments unless you prefer receiving it all in one go. Let me know how you'd like to proceed.